Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hey, stop! Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes, because I'm about to show you why prompting is officially dead, and why the smartest marketers stopped writing prompts months ago, and more importantly, how you can get AI to do the entire job for you, with 0 monthly fees. Over the past year, something strange happened. AI models got smarter than almost anyone expected. Better reasoning, better writing, genius-level intelligence. And yet, your results didn't really change. Why? Think about it. You typed the prompt, you waited, and you got back a wall of text that you still had to fix, still had to format, still had to rewrite. You didn't get work done. You got homework. You asked for a funnel and got a description of a funnel. You asked for research and got confident-sounding guesses. You asked for a sales page and got generic filler anyone could spot. So you bought more prompt packs. You saved 400 prompts in a Google Doc, and you still opened a blank page every morning. Here's what nobody told you. The problem was never the AI. The AI was always smart enough. What was missing was the skill. Because a professional doesn't just know things. They follow a procedure. A copywriter follows a structure. A funnel strategist follows a sequence. A researcher follows a method, step by step, every single time. And that procedure is exactly what a prompt can never give you. Because a prompt is a wish. A skill is a system. That's why we built something different, something smarter, something simpler, something that actually finishes the job. Introducing AI Skills Agent, an AI dashboard loaded with 200+ professional-grade skills that gives you the exact procedure behind every marketing task, executed start to finish automatically, and delivered as a finished, ready-to-use file, all from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another AI tool. This is an AI that actually does the work. Here's what happens after you activate AI Skills. Agent, you log in, you pick a skill, or you just describe the job, and instantly, the agent takes over. It selects the right skills, it runs them in order, it checks its own work, and it hands you the finished result. A complete sales page, a full email sequence, an entire funnel, a deep research report, a client-ready slide deck, not paragraphs, deliverables, which means no prompting, no rewriting the first draft, no juggling 10 different tools, just finished work. And here's where it gets even better. Because these aren't shortcuts. They're the same procedures professionals charge thousands for. The copywriting skills follow proven frameworks. Hook, proof, objections, close. The funnel skills map every page in sequence. Opt-in, bridge, sales, upsell. And deep research mode doesn't guess. It keeps digging until it has real answers. So your outputs don't just come faster, they come out better. Better copy, better structure, better conversions. And you can sell every bit of it, because a commercial license is included. Sales pages for clients, research reports, marketing audits, content calendars, produced in minutes, sold for hundreds. One skill run can pay for this entire app many times over. And yes, it's beginner-friendly, no tech skills needed, no prompt engineering, no learning curve. If you can type one sentence, you can run every skill inside. Now let's talk about the price. Normally, to get this work done, you'd be paying copywriters, paying strategists, paying for 5 different AI subscriptions every single month. But today, you don't have to. With AI Skills Agent, you get everything with a simple one-time payment. No subscriptions, no recurring fees, just activate it once, and it's yours. And every new skill we release gets added to your account automatically. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, test it, run every skill inside. If you don't love it, we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. So now the decision is yours. Do you keep writing prompts and fixing drafts? Or do you let 200+ professional skills do the work for you? If you're ready to, turn one command into finished work. Replace expensive tools and freelancers. Deliver client-ready files in minutes. Save hundreds every month. And finally use AI at its full potential. Then click the button below. Activate AI Skills Agent and stop prompting for good. No limits, no subscriptions, no stress, just powerful AI actually doing the work. Your move starts now.